Here's my Preston. That's him. Calm and sweet, gentle and gorgeous. And very peaceful. He brings me peace when I'm around him. And we're feeding him a few carrots for a treat. It got me to thinking that you can learn a lot from these guys just to be at peace where we are right in the minute, right in the second, because that's all these guys are doing. Can you see the intelligence in this eye? There you go, handsome. There you go. I love you. And I love you guys. And I appreciate everything that you're doing on your healing journey. I seen a deer on my way here today, so be gentle with yourself. Take every second and just breathe through it all. Give yourself a treat now and then. Love from me and Preston. Oh.